Mercedes-AMG SL63 SE Performance tested. Pros: endlessly excellent to drive, zero top-down compromise, full of luxurious amenities. Cons: price inappropriate interior, rides like a sports car because it is. Tiny trunk, engine, handcrafted AMG 4.0 LV8 biturbo with rear 150 kilowatts electric motor. Fuel type: performance plug-in hybrid. Power: 805 horsepower at 5,500–6,500 revolutions per minute. Torque: 1,047 pound-feet at 2,500–5,000 revolutions per minute. Compression ratio: 8.61. Construction: die-cast alloy block and heads. Fuel requirement: premium unleaded gasoline. Fuel capacity: 18.5 gallons. Mercedes-AMG SL63 SE Performance. Its plug-in hybrid powertrain delivers unrelenting thrust, elevating the dynamics of AMG's ultimate roadster beyond any SL class before it. But crushing acceleration is only one thrilling facet of this China Blue gem. Acceleration: 2.8 seconds. Disclaimer. Power: 805 horsepower. Torque: 1,047 pound-feet. 4. Passenger capacity: 805 horsepower at 5,500–6,500 revolutions per minute. Power: 3.9 cubic feet. Cargo capacity: AMG SpeedShift MCT 9-speed. Automatic transmission: handcrafted AMG 4.0 LV8 biturbo with rear 150 kilowatts electric motor engine. Price: $207,900.